Look at this makeup today. We're gonna talk about that in this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I just filmed a video before this, so this one's probably gonna be going up after it. So if I'm wearing the same clothing, that's why. I did want to film a fall favorites video. As of right now, what I've been loving for the fall, things are quickly piling up because I've just been so excited. Like, there's some years where I'm just into the season, whatever season it is at the time, and then there's some years where seasons come around and I'm like, I'm just not into it, like this season, you know? But this season I am so ready for the fall. I've already decorated, obviously. And yeah, I don't think I addressed this in my last video. I did change the setup of where I'm filming. I'm still using the natural light from the window I normally film in front of. However, I've taken it down to the floor because it's just like a bigger space for me to work with and I'm more comfortable. Plus, like, I wanted like a little table that I can put stuff on in the background, so I feel like this is going to be pretty permanent for a while, and if you guys want me to change it up eventually, I will, but right now I'm really happy in this spot. Let me get into this intro so that you guys can get on with the video. This video is going to be about my fall favorites, I guess my September fall favorites. So if you guys are interested in seeing those items, then please keep watching. Okay, so it is hot and I want to finish this video so I can turn on my AC. So the first thing that I do want to talk about, let's see. I was so excited about a lot of things this month. So you guys also know I recently cut my hair, so I've been obsessed with that. But one thing that I've also been obsessed with that is hair related is my new shampoo and conditioner. So this is the OGX Coconut Miracle Oil Shampoo. Here's the shampoo. I really loved this. I went to my cousin's house and my cousin's hair is spiral curly, like very, very curly. She has very thick hair. So when I went to her house and she came out of the shower, I just saw her hair and it was so bouncy and like it looked moisturized and just, I've never seen her hair like that before. And I said, you know, it's Jessie. You guys have seen Jessie in my other vlogs. So I said, what are you using in your hair? And she says, I'm using, you know, this Coconut Miracle Oil shampoo and conditioner. So I said, oh my gosh, I have to try that. I went to the store and as soon as I got my hair cut, I started using this and I can't tell you, I am so excited to wash my hair every time I get in the shower because it's that good. This video is not sponsored. None of my videos have ever been sponsored. I wish they were, but they are not. But let's just start off with the packaging. First of all I love the packaging. It's cute. I feel like you can travel with this if you need to travel with it. It's a little bulky, but technically it's a full-size shampoo conditioner, so what are you gonna do? But the smell is great. It just smells like a coconut, milk coconut. That's what it smells like. So the shampoo and the conditioner smell the exact same, but I love the conditioner the best. This is my favorite, and I'm gonna tell you why. It has supposedly like this miracle oil in it, and this is where I truly feel it. This is supposed to be like sulfate free, which helps to not strip your hair, especially if you color your hair. That's important. It helps you to keep your color longer. But I feel that when I use this, it suds up and it does keep my hair clean. I don't ever feel like there's buildup on my hair, and I feel like the conditioner puts so much moisture in my hair. This is the best conditioner that I have ever used. And I have used hair masks, conditioning masks, like all that type of stuff. This is better. This stuff has, I feel, transformed my hair, and I've only used it probably like 3 or 4 times, but my hair is shiny. It is like silky soft. I have less knots, and I just love what this does for my hair. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about is this. This is the Lemonade palette from Dominique Cosmetics. This palette is cruelty-free, but I don't think that it's vegan. I was just quickly looking over the ingredients. So I did not buy this palette, just in my defense. It was given to me by one of my friends who ordered 2 on mistake, and so on mistake, what the heck kind of English is that? She ordered 2 by mistake and then she gave me 1. So that's how I got this palette, and so I'm gonna use it It's still a great product and it is cruelty free, so I definitely still want to talk about it. So let's look at the colors inside. Look at this. Normally, I'm going to be honest, I would not gravitate toward, look, you can see all of my filming equipment. Normally, I wouldn't gravitate towards a palette like this, and the reason why is because of all of the bright colors. I normally on a day-to-day basis don't wear colors this bright, like this here or these over here, but I decided to give this palette a shot anyway. I have created a couple looks with this so far, and let me tell you, I think this palette is 100% worth it. The shadows in here are such good quality. I was shocked. Like, not that I doubt Dominique Cosmetics at all. It's just sometimes it's a little concerning to say, but it's so refreshing when you get something that, you know, you expect so much out of it and it actually performs the way you're expecting it to. Like, it's really refreshing to see that. I love these colors. I haven't tried them all. However, I have tried Strawberry and Blueberry Fizz, and these two colors perform a lot better when you wet them and pack them on, but they don't move. Like, once you put them on and start swiping and blending, the color stays there and you can blend, and it's great, and it looks like it does in the pan on your eye, which is what people expect when they buy a palette. And same thing for these matte colors. I've tried all of the matte colors today. It is what I have on my eyes right now. I think I took a shot, like a more close-up shot of the makeup that I did. This is the palette that I used, and I just can't say enough good things about this palette. I absolutely love it. So this is not beauty related, but this is something that I have really been loving, and this is the Belvita Breakfast Biscuits, and this is the vanilla oat flavor. This is a new flavor that they've come out with, and I love this so much. I love these in general. My one favorite flavor they discontinued because I can't find it anywhere. It used to be called apple, or I don't know if it was like golden apple, I don't know. It was an apple flavor and I can't find it, but these make up for it so much. They're just so good. There's nothing else I can say. I love having this in the morning with coffee or tea, especially if I'm on the go and I don't have time to sit down and actually make myself breakfast. This is what I'm eating. What else? All right, so let's get into the fall type of stuff, I guess. This is the Method all-purpose naturally derived surface cleaner. I've had this before, but in a different scent, and then I went to the store to replace it because I used it all, and I found this scent. This is in the scent Honey Crisp Apple. Woo, guys. Okay, so I kind of get sick of the scents that are in my cleaning stuff because I clean so much. So if it has a heavy scent, chances are if I don't really love the scent, I'm gonna get sick of it. This one, I feel like I can use it over and over and over and over again, and I'm excited to use it because I just like it that much. It smells exactly like apple. And this is the apple that I think of when I think of fall, that red crisp apple. It doesn't have any cinnamon in it though. It just smells like apple, so it's very fresh, very clean, a little fruity, and it's light in scent. It's not too strong. So I love this. And normally I find all of this stuff at Target, but I actually found this at my ShopRite. So they carry like all this Method stuff now, and I don't know if it's just the ShopRite that I went to, but normally I've been to other ShopRites and they don't carry the Method brand, so I don't know if that's like a new thing or what, but anyway, I found mine at ShopRite. All right, this is the last thing I'm gonna be talking about. Last year I got the last of Bath&BodyWorks candles. Bath&BodyWorks, I don't think their company is cruelty free, but their candles are something that I bought and I just wanted to finish them. And this is something that I had bought, and it's called Bourbon Maple. And so it's empty, but the reason why it's empty is because I've been doing also a lot of research on candles versus essential oils, and if candles are really good for you as far as lighting them, what you're breathing in. So anyway, in my conclusion, it is actually better for you to burn essential oils, and you guys can do your own research. I could do a video on it if you'd like me to, but if you use a specific type of diffuser with good oils, it is a lot better for you in the long run. It also helps to like purify your air in certain ways, get rid of viruses and all of that. So, and then you also don't have to worry about a fire. So what I decided to do was, instead of lighting the wick to get this scent out, I decided to put this in the freezer, and I literally just popped it out. Once it freezes, the wax shrinks, so you're able to pop it out a lot easier. And I cut it up with a knife, and I just put the pieces into a Ziploc bag, and then I put the pieces into candle warmers that I have. So I have a small candle warmer in my bathroom, so I put a piece in there, and I put another piece in my candle warmer that I have in my bedroom. So it's heating up the wax, I'm getting the scent, but I'm not getting any of the soot from lighting the actual wick. So that's something that I'm trying to do in order to use this candle up, and I can't tell you, oh my god, how much I'm enjoying this scent. It smells so good. It has the fragrance notes of barrel-aged bourbon, sugared amber, and maple wood. This is something that is very fall. It smells like woody, sweet, and like cozy. Like that's what I get from this candle, so I really like this a lot. I'm sure they probably have the same scent at Bath&BodyWorks if you're interested. And actually, that was not the last thing. This is the last thing that I meant to show you guys. I recently did a video on this. It's the video that I had just posted last week, so I will link that below if you did not see it. But these are P&J premium fragrance oils, and this is their autumn collection. I got this off of Amazon, but I talked all about the fragrance oils in this collection, what they smell like, and I gave my entire review. So if you are interested, go check that out, because these fragrance oils are worth it. There was only one that I didn't really care for, because you'll see why in the video. But other than that, I think this was great. I think this was like 16 bucks off of Amazon, 16, 17 bucks, and you get 6 full-size oils. So this has also been my favorite. It's been helping me get ready for the fall. Oh my gosh, I keep leaving things out. This is the last thing that I want to talk about, and this is actually beauty related. So I have been struggling to, okay, so after, if you guys carve out your eyebrows, you know, you do your little powder pencil or whatever you guys use to fill in your brows, and then I take concealer and I go underneath with a very thin brush. Now, sometimes when you put it underneath, you have to then blend it out, but I feel like my finger is too big, and if I pat it out, it destroys like that sharp line that I'm trying to create. So I went out and I bought this. This is the Real Techniques Blend and Blur Shadow Brush. So it looks like this. And what I really like about this brush is that it's small enough to get into the space where I need to buff out that section, but it's not big to the point where it's destroying that line. I can control what I'm buffing out, and I love that it looks smooth afterwards. It never looks cakey. It doesn't look like weird or gross. It looks awesome. It looks the way that I want it to look. I used it today to help carve out my brows, and I always love the way that it comes out with this. This is something that's really been helping me like achieve the eyebrowness that I want to achieve, you know? So that is it, guys. That is everything for the September fall favorites that I have been really loving. Let me know what you guys have been loving. And I know everybody says that, but I want to know, because I don't have that many followers right now, so I can actually read through probably every single comment that I'll get, and I want to be able to try new things. And I've had like a lot of good recommendations from people, so I'm excited to kind of read all that stuff. So again, let me know what you guys have been loving for the fall, if you found some good vegan stuff, or if you know more information about anything I talked about. If you've tried anything I've talked about here, let me know what you guys think. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys are excited for fall the way I am. And if not, get into the spirit. Get some essential oils, pop this into your diffuser, and get with the program. I'm gonna leave you there with that. I will catch you guys in my next video. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, why do I keep doing this? Like, Am I gonna chop something? Or what was this called? I looked this up before the video. Oh wait, maybe I can use this. Haha. I'm such a weirdo.